This is my 2010 Holden Commodore Ute. So, if I lift up the bonnet, you can see the engine. Don't know how well you can see it, but that's the engine. I did use the engine I used the spare engine from that Land Rover set over there. So, in that Land Rover I used the inline 5, but in this one I've used the V8 from the Land Rover because I didn't use that in the set. In here you've got the interior, which I believe is one of my most detailed interiors I've ever made. I'll take the roof off so you can see it a bit better. So you can see you've got the two seats in there, the steering wheel, the gauges. There are paddles on the driver's side there. You've got gear stick, you've got some cup holders in the centre. And you've also got a glove box. And in the middle of the seats, there is, if I just open it, another like secret glove box in between the seats that you can open up there. Now in the back, since this is a ute, it's got the tonneau cover and the tailgate. And because this is an Australian car, I decided to put some Australian things in here. So we've got a crate of what would be cans of like beer or something. And then you've got a barbecue that folds out onto the tailgate, which you can open. So they'll be able to cook stuff on the barbecue. And also in there I've just got an axe and a bucket. That is my Holden Ute.